Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So my dear viewers, I am back with another beautiful video which is specially designed for my dear all viewers. In this video, I am going to share with you with such amazing centerpieces, Christmas tree and different wall hangings pieces. I hope you like my all ideas. All the ideas are decorated with amazingly designed. All the ideas are very pretty, beautiful, and hope so all my ideas are very helpful for you. So my dear viewers, keep liking my video, share my video, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press bell icon for more updates. Special thing, keep watching my video till end. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye. Have a nice day.